Dear students, today we will do the grammar topic, that is sentences. First of all, just try to look at the definition of the sentence. It is a group of words that makes complete sense. So, a group of words that makes complete sense or meaningful sentence, it is called a sentence. Seahorse is a type of fish. So it's like the seahorse, it is a kind of fish. Clear, the meaning is clear to us. Now one another topic is there, that is phrase. Other than sentence we have phrases. So phrases is a group of words that does not make complete sense, that is known as phrase. So phrase is also a group of words, but they are not giving us the clear meaning or complete sense. Now we'll see these examples again with some examples itself. Rearrange the words. Write S for sentences and P for phrase. So in this only we can write out like jumbled words are given to you. You have to arrange them, and after arranging them, if you are able to understand the meaning of a particular words or a group of words, then it will be termed as sentence. And if the meaning is incomplete or it is not making any sense, then that will be termed as phrase. So we'll see the first one. Recently bicycle bought new Rohan. So Rohan bought a new bicycle recently. So it is giving us a complete sense. So that is why it is termed as sentence. Then next one is your without best his friend not leave. Not leave without his best friend. Now it is making a sense, but it is not making complete sense. So that these group of words will be termed as phrase. Then is your is cloudy sky the dark and. The sky is dark and cloudy. Again it is giving us the clear meaning. So it will be termed as sentence. Then is your one more topic is there, that is subject and predicate. Now we'll try to understand what is subject and predicate. In a sentence itself, a sentence has two parts, the subject and the predicate. The subject is what or who the sentence is about. So actually this is the main person, you can say, or a thing about what the particular sentence is. The subject may be, in two parts they have described us, a noun or a pronoun. In Hindi we call it Sankhya or Sarvanam. Sankhya means the name of the person or the thing or a place. Here we have given one example also. Butterflies love sitting on fruit blooms. So butterfly is the subject and rest of the part of the sentence is your predicate. The second one is the subject can be a single word or a phrase also. Like Anubha is very good at origami. So Anubha, again a single word is there. If you read out only Anubha, then it is not making a complete sense. So that can also be the part of your subject. Then is your the predicate. The predicate gives us information about the subject. Like if we talk about the butterflies or we are talking about Anubhava. So the rest part of the sentence, that is just giving us the explanation of that subject. So the other part of the words in a sentence that is explaining the main subject will be termed as predicate. Here also we have the examples, is very good at origami. Here that Anubha is missing. So if we'll add Anubha here, so Anubha will be your subject and is very good at origami will be your phrase. Predicate. Then is your can cause floods. So here we can write rain or rain can cause floods or heavy rain can cause floods. So these things can be written. Okay, now the exercise again, the few examples are there. Circle the subject and underline the predicate. The taxi driver drove the car well. Now the subject we have to circle it. Taxi driver. It is the complete. We are talking about the taxi driver only. So that taxi driver is the subject, and what work he is doing. He's drove. So drove the car well. past explaining us the work of the predicate. Then lawyers were standing outside the court. Now we are talking about lawyers. So lawyers will be termed as subject, and were standing outside the court, that will be termed as predicate. Now just understand the thing also, like predicate always have verbs. It can be your helping verb or the main verb. Anything can be there. Like in the very first sentence, the taxi driver drove. So drove is a main verb only, and the lawyers were standing. Were is your helping verb. Now the boy has eaten nothing since morning. The boy is your subject, and has eaten nothing since morning is your predicate. I hope the things are clear to you people, like the definition of sentences, phrases, and about subject and predicate. Rest of the exercises we will discuss in our next meeting.